Sometimes these headphone earbuds come off accidentally, or sometimes they just wear off right on the top. And it's a real struggle trying to get them back on. And you might have tried using a small tool to push the fabric in and around the rim, but that doesn't work as easily. So as you can see in this model, we have some clips that are holding that plastic in place. In some other models, you'll have screws. So in this case, just use a butter knife to try and pry open or loosen that plastic bit. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put back the pad, the cushion pad, around the rim. And with the help of a flat tool like this, you are going to help the fabric round the rim while you're holding the piece that, or rather the side that you have inserted with one finger so that it doesn't slip away. And then just continue pulling the fabric underneath and on top of the rim, and that should hold it in place. So once that is done, just ensure that it's tucked nicely. And then what you do now is put back that part of the cushion and make sure you are aligning it with the slots that are there. Then just press it in place and lock it in place. And there you have it. That's how you replace your headphone earbuds. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.